How to make a TikTok video with different scenes. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your media. Here, you can choose pictures and videos from your camera roll to post on TikTok. Go to videos and select the videos that you want. After selecting, tap on Next at the bottom. Wait for the videos to sync. Now, go to the edit option on the right side of the page and tap on the icon as shown. Here, you can manage the video settings such as effects, text, captions, overlay, filters, etc. After you're done, tap on Next at the top right corner. You can add a caption if you want and manage other settings. Then, tap on Post at the bottom. Following these steps, you can easily make a TikTok video with different scenes.